Harsh Rungta, CEO of ApnaPaisa.com, joins us to help us understand precisely that. Harsh, good to have you on the show. First question, family floater seems much better as an idea. You get a larger cover for a smaller premium and you can use it for any member of the family. Is that correct?
Yes, I think for younger families, the advantages on top appear to be quite attractive. Except at Apna Paisa, we are not great fans of family floaters, primarily because the history of continuous coverage is not possible to be carried forward. And let me explain what that means. First, I think, is the fact that the coverage will continue till the senior most member reaches the maximum age of renewability. Once he reaches that, the other people also lose their cover, and then they would have to take fresh policies at that point of time, and all the continuous coverage that they might have had would be lost. As a result of that, pre-existing disease coverage, etc., would be a problem. Similarly is the case with children. Typically, floaters allow for coverage of dependent children up to the age of 25 years. What happens when they turn 26? They have to now take fresh policies, and they may have acquired pre-existing disease, they may have acquired some disease during that period, which will not be covered when they go for a fresh policy. Or, I mean, horror of horrors, if the senior most member dies, the whole policy falls apart. The other people will have to take a fresh policy. So this one single point of your inability to carry your continuous coverage history by itself, I think, is a big impediment to the attractiveness of a family floater.
Right. So what would you recommend, Harsh? Is there a way that you can, take individual mediclaims and then combine it with a larger cover? What really works out the best?
Well, our recommendation to clients at Apna Paisa is clear. I think your base cover should be individual for yourself and for your family members. Perhaps you can keep that cover at a more reasonable level of, say, 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, and say go for what the new kind of policies that have come today called a super top-up policy, that in fact today is offered only by United India Insurance, where they have a high deductible policy. And just let me quickly explain what that means. It means that during the year, for all expenses on illness and injury, if the amount does not exceed 3 lakhs, then it is not at all covered by the super top-up policy, but it covers only the expenses over and above 3 lakhs. So when you combine these two, say a 2 lakh or a 3 lakh basic policy and then a high deductible super top-up policy, you will get a good cover at a very reasonable cost.
Harsh, coming to the IRDA guidelines, we've just read them on 31st March. Do you think that the claim process will get easier because of these guidelines which are effective from June 1? And also, does it mean that all of us will have to pay more in terms of premium? Will it get more expensive for us?
So first of all, this whole process will become more transparent. How it will pan out in the claim portion is something we will have to wait and watch, but at least there will be far more confidence in the policy that we as consumers get from the insurance companies. We will know that the insurance company cannot refuse a renewal to me, what the premiums will be, under what circumstances those premiums can be hiked, at what age those premiums can become what. I think huge amount of transparency has been brought in by that circular. But yes, what that will definitely mean is that insurance companies will clearly tighten entry level. So when you first time go for a policy, medicals may become compulsory. Today typically below 45 years medical is not compulsory. I think it will become compulsory, and I think that's a good thing. And I think given the fact that insurance companies, once they admit you, will not be able to deny renewal to you, means that all of us will have to pay higher premiums. But I think that genuine consumers clearly won't mind paying this higher premium for the certainty of the coverage and the certainty of the cost. I think it's an excellent move.
All right, Harsh, thank you so much for coming on the show and giving us that clarity. Extremely important.